Have you ever looked up and seen a bird sitting calmly on a power line? Sometimes a whole row of them, like notes on a musical staff. And you instantly think, how is that not deadly? Those wires can carry massive voltage, enough to seriously injure or kill a person. Yet the bird sits there, preening feathers, chirping, completely unbothered. It feels like the bird knows a secret rule of the universe. And it does, just not magic. It's physics. Today on Explain History of Things, we're answering a strangely satisfying question. Why can birds sit on power lines without getting electrocuted? The rule people miss about electricity. Here's the key idea. Electricity doesn't zap everything it touches. Electric current only flows when there's a complete path, a circuit, moving from a higher electrical potential to a lower one. If there's no path, there's no meaningful current through a body. Power lines are designed to carry electricity along the wire from one place to another. When a bird lands on one single wire, it usually doesn't provide electricity a new path to travel. So the current keeps doing what it was already doing, flowing through the metal cable. Same voltage equals no current through the bird. Another crucial detail, when a bird perches on one wire, both feet are touching the same line, meaning both feet are at almost the same voltage. No voltage difference between the 2 feet means there's no strong push forcing current through the bird's body. So even though the line is live, the bird isn't acting like a bridge between 2 different electrical points. In simple terms, the bird is sitting on danger, but it's not completing the circuit. Why humans don't get the same lucky outcome? Now compare that to a human. If a person touches a live wire while standing on the ground, they create a path from the power line through their body into the ground. That path completes the circuit, and electricity loves a complete circuit. That's why it becomes dangerous fast. Now current can flow through a person's body, and that's what causes injury. Birds avoid this because they're not grounded and they're not touching a second point at a different voltage. The small body advantage. There's also a size factor. Birds are small and the distance between their feet is short. Even if there is a tiny voltage drop along a long power line, the difference between one foot and the other is usually too small to drive a dangerous current through the bird. Humans are larger. If a person were stretched between 2 points with different voltage, especially between 2 wires, that difference could be huge. But birds can get electrocuted. Birds aren't immune. They're safe under the right conditions, but the wrong contact can be fatal. A bird can be electrocuted if it touches 2 wires at the same time, or touches a wire and a grounded object like a pole, metal hardware, or transformer area. Large birds, hawks, eagles, owls, are at higher risk because their wingspans can accidentally reach multiple points at once. That's why you sometimes see utilities add protective covers or redesign pole equipment to reduce wildlife accidents. The big lesson. This everyday sight teaches a powerful rule. Voltage alone isn't what hurts you. Current through your body is. High voltage becomes deadly when it has a pathway, and you become part of that pathway. So the next time you see birds lined up on a power line, you're not watching a miracle. You're watching physics. No circuit, no current, no problem. Thanks for watching Explain History of Things. If you have a topic for the next video, drop it in the comments. We might feature your suggestion. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories hidden inside everyday life.